Good morning. Today we are going to discover a new tool, a more advanced tool here in Google Docs. It is the Explore function. To work with this today, I'd like you to open a new Google Doc. If at any point I'm talking too fast here, you can pause this video, do what I ask you to do, and then continue on with the video. In your Google Doc that you've just opened, I'd like you to type in the following: Manuka, Shanahan, and school. The Explore function takes information that is in your document and helps assist you in researching, finding information, finding relevant items that could help you make your document better. The Explore function can be found in two places. If you click on Tools and then Explore, or in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you can click on the little star item here called Explore. It will open up a little sidebar. Since we have Manuka, Shanahan, and school in our document, the Explore bar is going to find information related to Manuka, Shanahan, or school. It is divided up in three different categories. One is topics. This would be things that you could type in a Google search, all right, that might give you information related to what's in your document, but it already looked in your document and started to give you topics that could be related. For example, I have Shanahan. For some reason, I have Elwood, and for some reason, I have Lockport because they say those are related to Manuka. Each of these items, each of these sections will have a more. If I click more, this little sidebar changes to give me more topics related to Manuka. I could find Manuka Community or Manuka High School. I can click that, and then it will give me web results for Manuka High School, stuff in Wikipedia about Manuka High School, Manuka High School Facebook page. I can click see all results in Google. It'll open up a new Google window with that Google search, Manuka Community, Manuka High School, Manuka, and give me search results. All right, if I clicked on any one of these links, it'll take me out to that page. If I had information I wanted to quote from that page and use in my documents, I can click the little quotation button next to that link, and it'll add down at the bottom an MLA formatted reference for you in a little footnote. You could use those later for your works cited page. All right, so say that was some quote that I wanted to put in my document. All right, the little one indicates there's a little one down at the bottom here indicating that is the reference. Let's go back. I clicking the back arrow and Explore to the main page of Explore, and I should see in Explore now, I should see related research. All right, these are different topics on your subject. So we're talking about Manuka again, Shanahan School. You should get different related research. If you were doing something else that wasn't Manuka Community High School or something like that, you'd be getting actual facts in there. We'll show that in a second. All right, and you could add any of these quotes into your paper. Each time you add that quote, it adds a link at the bottom where that was accessed from, where that information came from. All right. Also, usually we'll have images. Let's show that. Let's take out all that information. Type in Abraham Lincoln. close the Explore window, reopen it, and you should get, again, topics about Abraham Lincoln. So now I don't have anything about Manuka anymore. Abraham Lincoln is what is in my document. I get topics on Abraham Lincoln. I also get images. I can click More next to Images. And usually you're going to get, there you go, a bunch of images that are related to my topic. I can click the little plus sign. It'll add that image into your document. You can grab the resize handles to make it smaller if you'd like. If you're doing a project where you're putting an image in and you need to cite where that image came from, or you need to give the source, at the bottom when you add the image, you have your inline, wrap, and break text menu, but underneath that you'll have the URL or the web address of where that image came from. You can click Change. You can copy that link by hitting Command C, and then you could paste that link into the document right underneath your picture if that's what your teacher wanted. You can also make that web address a hyperlink out back to that image by highlighting the URL and hitting Command K. That will make that text a link. Again, related research has information, so this is more, since it's a historical figure here, I'm going to have some historical facts on Abraham Lincoln. I can click the plus sign to add those facts in. I can click the actual fact to take me out to the website that contains that fact. All right, I can also hit more and get more and more. All right, factual information gives me a little tidbit. Maybe I'll go to history.net. It's going to take me out there. Emancipation Proclamation. Here's a good, I can start quoting information out of there, and then again coming back, this will link that information. It'll show me the link at the bottom where I got that information. That is Explore in a nutshell. So again, you have three general areas: topics, images, related research that you can add in. You can also search your document. Maybe I wanted something on the Civil War. Inside it, when I search, it's kind of like a Google search inside of your doc. All right, you can get web results. You can get same categories. You can get images. So I can add some images, Civil War images, into my document. Or if I had documents about this subject in my drive, I click Drive, and it might bring up different documents about that contain that subject. All right. So maybe I did something a couple years ago on Abraham Lincoln or the Civil War. I could go to my click Drive, and it'll search in my drive for that information. I could open that up and maybe access some of that research I used before. So today you are going to, after finishing this video, you're going to go into Google Classroom, open up 224 Student Directions, and then follow the student directions to do some research using Explore, creating a document. Follow the directions to create a document showing that you've used Explore and its different tools. Have a great day. See you next time.